Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about a company called Framework. So they are a computer manufacturing company, and if you look their profile, they are a private company and they are in a computer hardware business, and they found their business in January 2020 and found is Nilwa Patel, and their headquarters is in San Francisco, California, US, and they serve in US, Canada, EU, UK, and Australia and Taiwan. So they basically manufacture computers, desktop computers and laptops. So here you can see their website. These laptops have the main specification is that every part of this laptop can be replaced. Every part. You can replace the screen, battery, or the storage, RAM, keyboard, speakers, or even your USB or any port you have, graphic card, anything. You can change anything as your requirement. So they produce these three laptops called laptop 12, laptop 13, laptop 16, and they have one desktop. So first of all, you remember that I have mentioned earlier that they provide in few countries their service. So if you order or if you hope to order, just remember that where are you being, and when you hit their marketplace or shop all this stuff, I came here. So here you can see that which part you can buy. You will see that every part of this laptop can be purchased from here. Every part as you request. And also they have the color options with them. So here is their main laptop, which is called laptop 60. So you can see the specification in their website as is showing here. This laptop came with the pre-built model. Also you can order DIY kit as you can assemble it in your home. So when the technology will change or anything will upgrade, they will remind you, and also they keep that all devices can be upgraded to the new version because they have planned these things earlier as well. Also they have this touch screen, which is their normal screen is a touch screen, so you can use this as a tablet also. Also they have mentioned that the stylus will be supported in the future in these laptops. So hope I can give you a detailed video about this company called Framework, and hope you meet in another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.